Hello everyone, welcome to Education That Works. Today I'll show you how to see the co-op job postings and how to see the career job postings. So from the overview page, we will go here on the left side and click on it. And then we'll go to co-op, click down here, and then we'll go to job postings. Click on it. Now, it will show up this to you. What we'll do is you're going to see for my program apply to interested viewed all these options. We will click on for my program. And then here you are able to see all the jobs posted to your program. You're able to see the deadlines. You're able to click if you're interested or not, position info, and you can always click here to know more about the jobs. And if you heard of a posting that you can't find it here, you can email your employment facilitator. And all these postings were reviewed beforehand, so don't worry about that. And then now I'm gonna show you how to see career job postings. So we'll go to job postings under career. And then under career is a little bit different. You have to click on view all available postings, and you're able to do a search job postings. This would be a filtered one, which I'll show you how to do in another video. But then today I'll just show you this. Click on view all available postings. And then now you have all these jobs here. And then it's almost the same thing. You can click on interested. You can click on it to open the job. You can position info. So you have this, and then you can even scroll here to see, for example, if we want to know more about shift supervisor. The organization is Sarpina's Pizzeria Canada, and then the division, position type, and then openings. We have two. CD, where is the CD, and then students views and application deadline again. And that's it. So that's it for today. In the next video, I'll show you how to upload resumes, cover letters, and how to create an application package. Thanks for watching.